Hello mga kamatkada. Ngayon, try ngayon natin sagutin tong question galing sa Hong Kong International Mathematical Olympiad. Okay, the question is, given that A is a positive real number and A is not equal to 4, if A over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus A equals 2A over 3, find the sum of all the possible values or value of A. So, kapag nandito tayo, no, we need to determine lang naman, no, yung values ng A natin, and then we need to add the possible values of A. So, ano ba yung A natin dito? Ayun lang naman yung point of view dito. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, let's try to copy the given, which is A over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus A equals 2A over 3. So in this part, all of the given are fractions, no, or maybe there is a fraction, no. So pag nakakita tayo ng fraction, ang unang pumapasok sa utak natin is we need to determine the LCD. Okay, so look for the LCD kapag may fraction. So the LCD in the given is 3 and 4 minus A. So that would be the LCD. So gagawin natin dyan is we need to multiply the whole equation to the LCD. Okay? So from here, multiply natin siya kay 3 times 4 minus A and also the right part. Okay? 4 minus A. So dito, simplify lang natin siya or perform natin yung operation, no, which is divide sa denominator and then multiply sa numerator. So LCD, which is 3 times 4 minus A divided by A, the answer is 4 minus A. Pag ganito po, ang gagawin lang po natin is cancel lang natin yung magkaparehas. So ang matitira lang po sa LCD is 4 minus A kasi yung 3 mawawala na po siya. So A, the numerator, multiply natin sa numerator, A times the remaining sa LCD. Ganun lang po yung technique. Plus, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa, LCD natin is 3 times 4 minus A. Yung pangalawa po natin is makakancel na po yung 4 minus A. So, matitira na lang po is 3. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? Equals. And then here, sa right side, yung 2A over 3, cancel natin yung 3. Ang matitira na lang po is 4 minus A. So, times natin siya sa numerator, which is 2A times 4 minus A. Okay? So, pag meron tayong ganyan, lipat ko lang po natin dito sa kabila. Okay? Distributive property to, no, which is 2 times 4 minus A. O tanong po, paano po tayo o kailan tayo nagkakaroon ng distributive property or kailan siya na-apply? Simple lang po, no, kapag multiplication ang ginagamit na operation, no. Tanong po ulit, paano po natin malalaman na multiplication ang ginagamit na operation? Kapag po parenthesis, no, open parenthesis, tapos wala ka pong makikitang operation or plus, minus, divide sa gitna, no, that is matic na po yan na multiplication ng operation na ginagamit. Okay? So, kung may nakita kang halimbawa A plus, open parenthesis, so hindi ka gagamit ng distributive property or A minus, open parenthesis, hindi po siya gagamit. Pag wala ka lang pong nakita, kasi matic na po siya na multiplication. Okay? So, distributive property po ang gagamitin ha, pag wala pong nakita. So, A times 4, the answer is 4A. And then 2 times negative A, the answer is negative A squared plus 3 equals, ito po, no, distributive property rin, no, the reason is wala ka pong nakitang plus, minus, divide sa gitna, no. Okay, therefore multiply po natin to 8A. Okay, and then 2A times negative A is negative 2A squared. Tapos lipat na lang po natin to lahat sa left side, no. Pag nilipat po natin siya, itong 8A minus 2A squared, mag-change po ng sign. So, tanong po, kailan po nagpapalit ng sign yung term? Simple lang po, kapag po tumalon po siya ng equal sign. Okay, yung 8A, lilipat siya sa kabila. So, tatalo na niya yung equal sign. So, magpapalit po siya ng sign. Okay, ayun po yung rules natin doon. Okay, we have 4a. Yung 4a, hindi po siya lumipat or tumalon. So, copy lang po yung mga sign yan. Yung 8a tatalon, it will become negative 8a. And then, yung negative 2a squared tatalon siya, it will become positive 2a squared. Okay, equal to 0. Then, like terms, squared po muna. Ito po, meron ka pong isang negative a squared. Ito, meron kang dalawang a squared na positive. So, kapag magkaiba po yung sign, subtract. Pag same sign, add. Magkaiba po siya, so add po, subtract po natin siya. So, 1 plus, negative 1 plus 2. So, the answer is positive 1 a squared. Okay, tapos yung a naman po. So, 4a, positive, and then negative 8a. So, magkaiba po yung sign, so subtract. So, 8 4, so the answer is negative 4a. Okay, and then plus 3 equals 0. So in this part, lumabas po sa ano natin, no, sa solution po natin is quadratic equation. So kapag quadratic equation po siya, madali na po natin makukuha yung sum. Huwag niyo na pong yung zero product, no, wag na po. Mahirapan lang po kayo nun. Meron kasi tayong rules or formula to find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, which is to find the sum of the roots. Just simply negative b over a. Ano po yung b? Yung b po, that would be the coefficient of the linear term, and a is the coefficient or the coefficient of quadratic term. So yung b, which is negative 4, no, ayan po yung linear term. Ano po yung linear term? Siya po yung may variable pero ang exponent na lang po or 1 or yung wala po kayong nakikita. So yung negative b, so magiging positive 4 na po siya. Okay? Bakit po siya naging positive? Because negative 4 times negative, pag magkaparehas ng sign na nagmumultiply ka, it will become positive. Over, yung a po natin, meron po siyang imaginary 1 here, tama? So the answer is 1. So 4 over 1 or 4 divided by 1 is 4. Therefore, the sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation, or the given, which is 3a over 3 plus 1 over 4 minus a equals 2a over 3. The sum of the roots of that is 4. Okay? So now, to know kung naintindihan niyo po talaga, can you please answer this question, no? And please pause this video first, and then after you answer the question, please type your answer in the comment section. Okay, I think you are done, tapos na po yata tayo magsagot. Okay, now let's try to answer this po, or to check your answer is if correct. So dito po meron po ulit tayong fraction, copy lang po natin yan, which is 2a over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus a, okay, and then equals a over 2. So dito, ang LCD po natin is 3 tsaka 2, the LCD of 3 and 2 is 6, tama? And then, times natin siya kay 3 minus a. Okay, that would be our LCD. Okay, tapos, multiply lang natin siya sa left hand side, which is 6 times 3 minus a, 6 times 3 minus a. Okay? O, same rule lang po, ha? Cancel lang po siya. Yung 3, pwede kay 6. So, matitira na lang po kay 6 is 2. Okay? So, magiging 2. Yung taas po muna, kasi multiply po natin yung sagot sa taas. So, 2a times 2, no? Ang matitira, no? Kasi 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, 2 times, tapos yung 3 minus a. Tama po? Kasi yung 6 lang po yung napakailaman natin doon. Yung 3 minus a, hindi po natin napakailaman. Plus, yung sumunod po is yung 1 over 3 minus a, matitira na lang po is 6. So 1 times 6 is 6 equal, dito po 6 divide 3, 6 divide 2 is 3. So a times 3 times 3 minus a. And then ito po, distributive property, lahat, kasi wala ka pong nakitang plus minus divide sa before the open parenthesis. So 2a times 2, that would be 4a times 3 minus a plus 6 equals, ito po 3a, because a times 3 is 3a, times 3 minus a. Okay po, lipat ko lang po sa kabila. So dito, pwede po natin ulit siyang gamitan ng distributive property. Okay? 4a times 3, which is 12a. And then we have 4a times negative a is negative 4a squared plus 6 equals 3a times 3, which is 9a. And then we have 3a times negative a is negative 3a. Okay, squared. No, kasi a pala yan. Squared po pala. So, lipat ulit natin to sa kabila. Pag lumipat, all of these terms no, sa right side, change the sign. Copy lang po muna natin. 12a minus 4a squared plus 6. And then negative 9a and then positive 3a squared equal to 0. And then like terms po muna tayo. Mag-umpisa tayo kay squared. Negative 4a squared, positive 3a squared, different sign, subtract. So, matitira na lang po 1. So, negative siya na why? Because mas mataas po yung absolute value nito. Itong term na to. And then a squared. And then, 12a and negative 9a. So, different sign, subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. Positive 3a. Positive simply because mas mataas si 12 kaysa kay 9. Okay? And then, positive 6. Equal kay 0. So, quadratic pa rin yung lumabas. So, apply the rule. Kasi ang hinahanap lang naman natin is sum. So, the sum of the roots of roots is equal to negative b over a. So, ang b po natin is 3. Change the sign lang yan, which is positive 3 times mo sa negative, so it will become negative 3 over yung a mo is negative 1, and negative 3 divided by negative 1, the answer is positive 3. So therefore, the sum of the roots of the given, which is 2a over 3 plus 1 over 3 minus a is equal to a over 3. The sum of the possible roots or the possible values of a is 3. Okay, if you have more questions, please comment your questions in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell for our new videos, and please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.